Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. You guys, today it's officially December, okay? And you guys, the countdown is on to get these holiday gifts together, to start planning for our little holiday parties and functions. And what better way to start this off than going to Target and going in this section and seeing all of these little cookware items and baking items that are $5 or less, you guys. Okay, so things like this little cookie shovel are definitely cute for if you want to plan activities and do some baking at home. But you guys, this section is great for gift giving, okay? And let me tell you why. First of all, look how cute these tins are. You can definitely use those little cookie cutters, bake some homemade cookies and put them in those tins and give those out as gifts. But if you want to do something else, like maybe you're the type of person who doesn't want to actually make the food and give it to someone for the gift, you guys, you can put these little items together and make some very cute gift sets, okay? If I had to make a gift set with some of these items, I'd take something like this, get a pack of like cake mix or cupcake mix, something like those little sprinkles, get some cellophane, put a cute little ribbon on it, and bam, you have a cute gift that's, you know, personalized because you put time and effort into it. For what? If you get like 3 of those items, under $15 or right at $15, and not really 15 because some of these items are less than $5, okay? So you can actually put together a gift for $5-10 and it's gonna look cute, okay? So yeah, they have tablecloths if you're gonna have like a holiday party or something. That can be given as a gift as well. Now you can put together a whole little set for someone if they're going to have a party. So yeah, I just feel like don't skip this section. I know it's not the biggest section in the store, but you guys, they have some really great stuff. You just gotta start being creative and start thinking in your DIY mindset and put those gifts together yourself, okay? I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it with someone who you think will find this helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.